Good morning, Miss Sheila.
Good morning.
And
Hello,
welcome!
Father. Is it Angelique?
Yes, the
welcome.
famous Angelique Lazo.
Nako, welcome po.
My goodness.
Sayang hindi namin kayo
Welcome,
makapiling
Father.
sa studio. Oo, anyway,
Oo nga.
ito hong maganda tong naging actually marami kasing gantong situations ngayon na narinig natin nadidepress ang isang tao, at kung saan-saan bumabaling, kung minsan they look at drugs as a solution, hindi ba? O kaya yung
Yes.
iba, dahil wala na silang pag-asa, ayan, they take their life, nagpapakamatay. Pero, ang hirap talaga ng ganitong sitwasyon, ano po?
Oo. Walang iyakan, ha?
Oo.
Una-una.
Ayan.
Ano naman ang...
Angelique and Father.
Oh. At, Sheila, ano nang ginagawa niya? Isa sa mga programa ng Talk Shop ay ang confidence building, di ba? Aside from the language, oral, and written communication, meron kayong mga topic on confidence building. Paano ginagawa yun? Sige nga, paliwanag mo sa amin.
That's right. Well, Father Angelique, ito yung kagandahan sa mga programa namin. Even if other courses are not directly about confidence building, people who know themselves would enroll kasi alam nila na may kulang. And it's usually not a skill. It's usually not about life vision kasi alam nila. Karamihan dyan, they want to speak better, they want to write better, nawala ng confidence at one point in their life. So, we have programs in presentation. Hindi naman sa hindi nila alam yung gagawin nila o sasabihin nila. May mga na-encounter silang crisis situations in their life that made them feel like they're not good enough. And so, pag nag-handle kami ng mga programs for our students, it's important for us to identify the personality type. Kasi iba-ibang tao, iba-iba yung pag-handle sa confidence issues. Like for instance, Father, pag personality A, Angelique, do you know that they are the ones who are usually very high in confidence? Kahit walang kahit walang trigger from the outside because they're inherently driven. Pero ang kulang dyan minsan, hindi natin napapangalagaan yung self-esteem.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Ma'am Sheila, bali, yung type A, anong ibig sabihin ng type A?
The type A's are driven by challenges. Kahit ano yung ibato mo sa kanila, basta na-challenge sila, mataas ang confidence, hindi nawawalan ng confidence.
Ito yung mga lalakas ang dating? Ito ba yung malakas ang dating?
Malakas ang dating, the leader types, sila yung people who are usually in positions of power and authority.
Pero, if you try to analyze, ito rin yung mga tao na may problema sa self-esteem. Ganun ba?
Maaari, kasi self-confidence and self-esteem are two different matters. Self-confidence, you can take that by the way you stand,
Okay.
by the way you look. Sa pananamit mo pa lang, kita na ay, confident pala to.
Wow.
But self-esteem is something that you have. It was nurtured by a loving environment, starting with your family. Then, kung tama yung sitwasyon mo sa buhay, you love what you're doing, you love the company that you're with, mataas yung self-esteem. So, pwede rin naman na type A, mataas sa high self-esteem, high self-confidence. And that's good, that's the balance. Pero minsan, habang sinusugod natin yung mga krisis sa buhay, we're able to project that confidence without really nurturing ourselves. So, may nakikita kang Father, Angelique, na tao na ang lakas ng dating pero parang wala. Yung ganun.
Parang ampaw lang.
That's the self-esteem that you want to assert in the individual kung may pagkakataon. Otherwise, kailangan mahanap ng tao yung sarili niya because no matter how much challenges you have in projecting confidence, pag mataas ang self-esteem mo, you will never get sidetracked.
Okay.
Kasi alam mo what you are and what you will not compromise.
Kaya pala, yung mga yung mga external expression natin, yung mga add-on lang naman siguro yan, no? Di ba? For example, you should know how to pronounce, di ba? How to write, things like that. Mga add-on lang yan. But the real thing is, yung pagkatao mo. So,
Yeah.
Yun ang ina-address. Good.
Correct. These are trainings, Father, yung paglakad mo, even social graces, fine dining, paano ka makisalamuha sa tao, paano mo hawakan yung kutsara, tinidor, ano ba yung mauuna. Because you end up knowing how to mingle, how to project that image of that presence pag nagsasalita ka, pag nakikisalamuha ka. Pero pag uwi mo sa bahay, pag ikaw na lang, kausap mo yung sarili mo, do you love yourself? Do you value yourself? Are you thankful for who you are? That's where self-esteem is happening. Kasi pagkatapos mong ma-nurture sa family mo, di ba, hindi mo naman pwedeng iasa yun sa ibang tao eh. Sa'yo manggagaling yan.
Paano kung sa kabataan mo, hindi mo to nakuha? No?
Correct, oo.
At puro nga kabaligtaran na wala kang kwentang anak.
Pangit
Di
mo!
ba? Oo. Puro, di ba?
Diba?
Puro negative yung input na nakuha mo. Paano ka na yan? Paano ka makakabawi?
Magandang question yan. And now we go to personality B. Personality B are those people who would usually be affected by triggers from the outside. These are what you call social charmers. Ito yung mga nag-excel when it comes to teaching, to politics specifically. Politics, PR, sila yung mga tao who get their nourishment, their strength from the outside. Na pag na-disappoint sila ng ibang tao, affected na sila masyado. So, if the type of person if the person's personality is a B, then kailangan he has to be mindful of his social circle. Kung alam mo na hindi mo yun nakuha sa pamilya mo, then when you find yourself wondering pag nagtatrabaho ka pa rin, why you get drawn to people who tend to be insulting, who tend to be abusive, naku, catch yourself. Kasi kung siya nang nagaling ang energy mo, ang self-confidence mo, then they will play a big role in your major life decisions.
Sa pag-paningin
Oo.
mo.
Kailangan pala makilala mo Ma'am Sheila. Ma'am Sheila.
Ma'am Sheila, si Father.
alam mo at Angelique, kung nakita mo sana to si Sheila, anong height nito? 5'9" ata to eh. Beauty queen ito.
Ano bigla na naman?
Beauty queen ito. So, ang ibig pala sabihin ng type 2, Ma'am Sheila, ang type 2 eh, yung social climber? Ano?
Social charmer.
Social charmer. Tapos, yung joy mo, brought about
Galing
by...
sa kanilang validation nila sa'yo.
Oo. So,
That's right.
you have to be careful with the circle of friends you have. Baka niloloko ka lang nila, di ba?
Oo, or isang disapproval lang from them. Talagang major rejection na sa'yo to. Yan.
Ayun.
Pero meron namang type C, Father and Angeli. The type Cs are the naturally introverted types, people in highly technical fields and industries. And they find solace, they get their confidence from their tasks sa trabaho. So, naturally, these people are quiet. Hindi mo sila makikitang nasa frontline asserting themselves. So the confidence is implicit. Pero just because they don't talk so as much as the B's and then the A's, does not mean na hindi sila confident. Ang confidence nito nawawala when you attack yung trabaho nila. Oo, so kung hindi tama, kasi they're very meticulous, they're perfectionistic when it comes to doing their task well. So yung mga accountants yan, karaniwan yan, type C. So what we're saying here is confidence is not necessarily something that you can see at the onset. We get judged by what people see in us. So may mga tao na inherently high ang self-esteem and then self-confidence nila, and this is evident in their work. Katulad ng type C, meron tayong type D.
Okay, type
Alam
D.
mo ba, Father, Angeli, kung sino yung mga type D?
No?
Sino to?
Ito yung mga teachers,
Okay.
mga educators.
Oo.
These are the people who are combination of type C and type D. Meaning, they find joy in their work. and they are energized by people. So madali namang malaman kung type nasa extrovert and introvert type ka. Father, question ko sa'yo.
Yes.
Pagkatapos mo bang magmisa, tapos maraming taong pumunta sa'yo, nadi-drain ka ba afterwards? Or do you get energized?
Wow, tuwang-tuwa ako being with them.
O yan. Alam na alam mo na ang type D.
So type D si Father. So pag meron ding mga negative comments from that circle, nakaka-affect din yun kay Father.
Oo, pero baling lang siya sa kabila. May maririnig siyang masaya. Okay, happy na siya. Makahalubilo.
Mm-mm.
Pag hindi at may nangyari, parang it's not worth it. So, making the right life choices is very important. At least pag may namali, kaya mong hilahin pataas yung sarili mo. What if you are faced with situations na hindi mo pa masyadong alam, and you end up not choosing the right option? Dito naman papasok yung self-esteem. So, ang self-esteem is you love yourself, you are enough, you are thankful for the people you are with. Pag mataas ang self-esteem ng tao, yung outlook niya is more on the positive side. Everything that happens to him has meaning. When rejection happens, the rejection becomes a stepping stone to get to the next level.
Mas tumatatag pa siya, hindi siya bumabag, tinitiklop kapag may rejection.
Ano?
Oo.
Yeah.
I heard from my teacher na, I don't remember the author, but I remember my teacher, si Doc Dido. Father, you know her, no?
Mm-mm.
Dido Villaser. Sabi niya, from the teachings of Carl Jung, only wounded physicians can heal.
Mm.
So, pag hindi ka pa na-reject at pag hindi ka pa nasaktan, at a certain stage in your life, when you should be making mature decisions, naku, kawawa ka naman. At mas kawawa yung mga taong nasa paligid mo.
Mm-mm.
Because you are clueless about the struggles of the individuals around you. So, having high self-esteem will reassure you that whatever challenges you have in life, whatever trials happen, there's a reason. And you're supposed to rise above them because that's your mission, to understand and to help. Kahit ano pa yung personality type mo.
Sabi nga ni Henry Newman, sabi niya, we are all wounded healers. And it's so difficult to say anything and try to give an advice for something that you have not went through. It becomes a different thing if you went through the same thing and then you try to share it to others.
How you're able to overcome it.
Mm-mm. Magiging inspiration ka sa iba.
You become more credible, in that
That
aspect.
is so true. Instead of projecting onto others what you feel is right for you.
Mhm. May tanong
O,
kami,
parang-
Sheila.
Yes, actually.
Paanong palaan para kay Janet Lim Napoles na makabawi ng kanyang self-esteem?
Ibalik niya na lang yung mga pera.
Okay.
Pag sa amin ng totoo.
Uh-huh.
Ay, siguro totoo yun, ano? One thing this morning, nagdinilay-nilay ako, sabi ko, may mga lumalabas dahil may itinatago.
Mm-mm. Dapat i-correct niya ang mali.
Oo, lahat naman tayo may mga kamalian.
Oo, as long as you're alive, there is hope. You can right the wrong.
Yes.
Kaya nga may mga more compass di ba? Kaya nga nababagabag ka So pag hindi ka na nababagabag, that's when it's a serious matter. Pero kung meron sa saloobin mo na nababagabag, alam mong mali, then it's the call for action. Gawan mo ng paraan, itama mo.
Okay. Nako, thank you for explaining this to us. Next time, sana makapiling ka talaga namin para mas mapalalim.
Oo nga, I was really
Oo nga.
excited about
Saka
this.
magbigay tayo ng
Wow.
mga concrete examples Father.
Correct. Ano ang telephone number ng talk shop?
Talk Shop can be reached at 894-5588. And our website is www.talkshop.ph.
Mm-mm.
So if anyone would like to do personal effectiveness, corporate excellence, like salesmanship, public speaking, writing, yeah, we customize them for individuals and for companies.
Wow.
Okay, sige po.
894-894-5588.
Okay.
Talk Shop
Yes.
Philippines. Diyan po yan sa Makati, no? Ang CEO
Yes,
po ay si Miss Sheila Viesca. If you are interested, just dial 894-5588, no? Not simply to help you or enhance your oral and written communication, pero buuhin nyo yung pagkatao. Wow.
Yes.
That's something.
That's right.
Yung
Yeah, and if I may add, Angeli and Father, it all starts with the self. Kasi you will change your message, you will change your intonation, you will change your style at any given point depending on your audience.
Correct.
But what you are not supposed to change is who you are. So, yan ang anchor eh. That's the core na panggagalingan ng different styles mo. And we value that in the individual as we design the right program.
Pwede siguro naturoan ka ng mga tuwang-tuwang eh. Hindi naman
Kung
nabago.
kailangan
mga-
mo.
Hindi naman nabago yung sarili mo.
Oo.
Correct. You will meet Mrs. Pilar, our voice coach and for voice modulation.
Yeah. It was a blessing this morning to have her, the Ms. Sheila Viesca of Talk Show Philippines.
Salamat, Sheila. Sige, all the best to you. Thank you. Alright.
Thank you very much, Angeli,
salamat.
Father. It's been a pleasure. Salamat po,
Bye.
marami.
Bye for now.
Next time,
Okay,
dapat
bye-bye.
makita na namin ang iyong face.
Okay.
Yes,
Face to
promise,
face.
Father. May dala pang almusal.
Thank
Yes.
you. Yan. Okay, yung mga kapanalig, si Miss Sheila Viesca, ang CEO ng Talk Shop. So, maraming paraan para mapaangat mo yung self-esteem.
Oo, no?
So, marami silang techniques na ginagamit.